Okay, we're unboxing something different today. How different? Different enough that we need to transfer over here. This is my little old dining table, and this is where we're going to unbox this. This is the LQ2501 air fryer from Maxx. It's a Christmas gift from my cousins Paula and Tin. I'm excited to try it out since this is the first time I'm going to experience cooking with an air fryer. So let's go ahead. It says on the box that it's a 2.8 quart air fryer. Alright. On the side, there's a graphic that says, healthy fry with good tasting and up to 80% less fat. It's a bit weak on the grammar side, but we kind of get the idea. On the other side, there are images that demonstrate what this air fryer is capable of. I'm particularly interested in those empanadas and that medallion steak. Let's open it up. Upon opening, we're greeted with a big slab of Adidas Boost. I assume there's another similar styrofoam slab at the bottom to protect the air fryer from bumps during shipping. Take that off and here's the air fryer in all its glory. It looks like a big black egg with two knobs and a handle on the front. Let's zoom in on the control panel. At the top there are a series of guides that can help you with temperatures and cook times. What's this? Nuggets? And what's this at the end? These two logos aren't very helpful. Anyway, down here there are two lights. I'm not sure what they're supposed to indicate because they're not labeled. We'll see later. The knob at the top is for temperature control. It can go from 80 degrees Celsius all the way up to 200. And the bottom knob is for cook time. Maximum is 30 minutes. Lastly, this is the cooking basket. Let's move it up so we can see it ejected. Here it is. It's a two-part basket. There's an upper perforated one and a lower bowl-type basket. There is a button on the handle to eject the upper from the lower. The upper basket measures 7.5 inches across and 3.5 inches deep. Please take that into account if you're thinking of cooking something big in this. I reckon it can fit a chicken leg and a thigh part in one cook. And here's the lower part. You don't put food in this. This is just an area for the hot air to circulate when the air fryer is cooking. And that's it. Let's try it out, shall we? We're about to have dinner and we have spring rolls here, or lumpia for our Filipino viewers. Let's air fry these. We're going to fit all 5 spring rolls in the frying basket, and since spring rolls are dry and it needs a little bit of oil to be cooked by the air fryer, we're going to spray some canola oil on them. These rolls came from the refrigerator, so they're pretty cold. Let's cook them like cold fries, according to the guide here on the unit itself. 12 to 16 minutes at 200 degrees. And while this is cooking, I'll be listening to my friend Nick Droid's viral hit, Lumpia. I can't play it on the video because of copyright reasons, but it's the thought that counts. We're now at 6 minutes left and I will check to see how well the spring rolls are being cooked. Wow, they smell really good, but I have to flip them over for even cooking. Now let's put them back in there to cook for the remaining 6 minutes. They're done! Look at that, crispy and tasty, just like all lumpia should be. Looks like the Maxx air fryer did really well on my first go at it. I can't wait to cook more delicious things with this. So that's my unboxing and first impressions of the Maxx LQ2501 air fryer. Do you have any questions about it? Let me know in the comments. And please do like the video and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more straight-to-the-point videos like this. My previous video was my review of the Corsair M55 RGB Pro gaming mouse. Have you seen it yet? Go watch it. It's pretty good. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.